Hi everyone, I am Purnendu Mandal, a full stack developer with almost 4 years of experience. I am mostly specialized with .NET, Python in the backend. In the front end, I have worked with React, Angular, Next.js. In the database side, I have worked with MongoDB, SQL Server. I have also in the cloud, I have used Azure. Cloud, and I am also constantly like exploring new ideas, new technologies. So in this video I'll be demoing this application. It is a real-time chat applications where like I have used Next.js in the front end, Clerk for authentication, and Convex for our real-time database. So I'll be demoing one feature of this application. So here users can so this is a group chat going on, and different users are logged in, and they can chat with each other, and they can react to any of these messages with a specific emoji. So I'll be showing you how this is working under the hood. So you see, once I clicked on that emoji, it added this in this below the message, and if I click on the same emoji again, it is removing that. And other people can also react with the same, and it will increment the count. um, so let's see how it is working under the hood. So here in the chat window, basically we have this allowed reactions, and in the chat window we are rendering a list of messages. So we have message items. So we are rendering the message, each message in a message item component, where we are passing the allowed reactions as prop. So if the message is not deleted, then a reaction picker will be available when we hover over that message. So each reactions are like a button. Once we click on that button, um, the emoji will be added in the reactions array. So let me show you the schema first. Each of the messages contain this conversation id, and it contains this reactions array. So what we can see here, this is nothing but a array of object. Each object contains each object contain an emoji and a list of user IDs who have reacted with this specific emoji. So when we click on that, click on a specific emoji, whether it is in the reaction picker or whether it is in this list below, um, it is performing a database call. We are doing a toggle operation. Let's see the code here. Um, so in order to add or remove a reaction, what we are doing is we are getting the emoji that was clicked, we are getting the message id. From the identity, we have the Clerk id. Using the Clerk id, we are getting the user that clicked on a specific emoji. So and we are also getting the messages, like we are also getting the message containing all the reactions. So from the reactions array, first we are checking if the uh, emoji exists, if the emoji exists in the reaction array or not. So if the reaction array does not contain this specific emoji that is clicked, then you see here, we are having this array, and in this reactions array we are adding a new object. That new object will contain the emoji that was clicked by this current user, and then in the user id we have the current user's id. So now it is just performing a patch operation. Like once we perform a patch operation, the database got updated. All the clients, since it is a real-time database, all the clients UI also get updated with this new reaction array. So now if the, let's say, reaction exists, if the reaction already exists in this specific messages reactions array, then what there are various cases, like if uh, current user already reacted with this emoji already. If it is already reacted, then we are just going to remove the reaction. So to remove the reactions, I am filtering this user IDs of this clicked emoji, uh, and from that user ID I am removing the current user's ID. So this new user ID array will not contain the current user's ID. So after doing this operation, if this user ID's array becomes empty, that means only this user reacted with this specific emoji for this specific message. So from the reactions array we are entirely removing that object. Okay. And if this after this filter operation, if the new user ID array still contains elements, that means other people also reacted with this specific emoji. So what we are doing is, um, here we are just using the new user ID array that we got after doing this filtering, and we are updating the reactions array. So now for this specific emoji, in the user's ID, the current user's ID will not be there. Okay. So user, if the user haven't reacted yet with this specific emoji, then in the user's ID we are just adding the current user's ID. So that means we are uh, like registering that this user also reacted with this specific emoji. So once we have this user IDs, wherever we are rendering it, like here we are rendering it. So here we are just having the emoji, and also the number of users who have reacted. So that's how we are doing this logic. Now let me show you, like if you want to add another reaction, let's say, so that you can do by updating this reactions array. So we have this allowed reactions, and I will just add another one. So in the localhost running here, you can see we now have this light bulb exist, and these are in other two we don't have that, because these are hosted. And so now we can also react with the light bulb emoji. So this is all about this real-time chat application. If you want to see the source code, you can check it out to my GitHub account. Thank you for watching.